Hi and welcome to today's session on compound measure pressure. So when we're talking about compound measure, we're talking about two different measures which are come together to give us this compound measure. The common ones that we normally use are speed, density, pressure, and maybe fuel consumption. We're going to be concentrating on pressure, which is force divided by surface area, and normal measures for this are newtons per meter squared or maybe newtons per centimeter squared. Now, I'm very much a visual learner, so I prefer using formula triangles. For me, they're just easier for me to use and to remember in exam conditions. So this is our triangle that we're going to be using throughout, where we've got our pressure, we've got our force, and we've got A just representing our surface area. So our first problem, we've got a footballer weighs 800 newtons, and the boots have an area of 1.3 meters squared, and we're going to calculate the pressure. So this is our triangle that we've got created through substitution. So the force is 800. The surface area is 1.3. Now, some of you might not have used newtons before. Again, this will probably be given actually as part of the question to help you out if you use that to calculate it. But force, newtons, that equals the mass times the gravity. So substituting these values in now gives me pressure equals 800 divided by 1.3, which gives me 615.38 newtons per meter squared to 2 decimal places. Or maybe if you're doing high level maths, you could be looking at pascals. 1 pascal is equivalent to 1 newton meter squared, in which case this is the same number but in PA, pascals. Different problem, pressure in a boiler is 18,000 newtons meters squared with an area at one end of 0.52 meters squared. And we're going to calculate the force at that end. So I'm going to substitute in my values, looking to calculate the force. So we end up with 18,000 times 0.52, which gives me 9,360 newtons. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.